How to get Mewing pin Brawl stars, or how you can change your Brawl star emotes here on your PC or in your Brawl star game. So, Brawl Stars has a lot of emotes that you can use in the game to express yourself. All of these emotes are fun and can be used to express yourself in the game with the absence of a chat option. Additionally, the game also gives you a lot of them to use. You can't add all of them, though, to your list of emotes and will have to switch them out of the different ones. Here is how you can change emotes in your Brawl Star. Brawl Star was released back in 2018, making it a really old title Supercell. Over the years, the Finnish developer has been constantly releasing the new updates which have been added or more emotes to the game. So this is how you can actually do this thing. You can add them manually though. So there is a basic step. You just have to be in the game and wait for it to be patiently so you can get it more immuing.